So we're going to talk a little bit about front wing feels. So you can see in my hand here, I have a very sexy, sleek looking front wing. This particular front wing has a quite considerable front wing area. So as a beginner, like we've spoken about before, you might think that this has lots of stability. But if I compare it to one of the wings that we spoke about before, you can see the noticeable difference between the two. One wing is very thin in its chord, and the other wing is very thick in its chord. The chord is the distance from the leading edge to the trailing edge of the front wing. So this particular wing is going to give us, or the rider, lots of stability. This particular wing is going to give us lots of high speed and a very gliding nature. That's not necessarily something that a beginner hydrofoiler wants in the early phases. So chord is probably quite important. Aspect ratio, you may have delved into, comes in low, medium and high. We classify this particular wing as a high aspect ratio wing. So not great for beginners. Beginners are better fared off with a low to medium aspect ratio front wing.